Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok video stuck on processing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon and a sample video. So I'm going to record a sample video. So once you record a video, you simply need to click on next and then you need to click on drafts. Okay, so now you have video in drafts, then you need to go back and close that and open TikTok, and here you can see that the video have no issues. You can now easily upload that video onto the TikTok. So this is our process by which you can fix TikTok video stuck on processing. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.